just do what you want to. Please don't be polite, cause I like your attitude. Let's forget about a curfew, cause all that is stuck in my head. It's me and you, both speed and my heart is racing.
I'm so excited to be doing this video because this is something that I've been wanting to do for the longest. Okay, I don't know why, but I'm just not getting to it, which, hey, you know, takes time, most things. But I just want to say thank you guys so much for your support. Thank you for being here. Thank you for liking, sharing, and subscribing. Hello, hi, how you doing to my new followers? How you doing to my old subscribers? Thank you guys so much for the love and support. And if you haven't already subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button for your girl, and don't forget to hit that bell to get notifications. Okay, so let's talk about what we need to talk about. Let's address this, okay? Because I'm tired of it. No, but really, this video is, by the title you can tell, this video is about the reason why I just don't agree with using GOT2B glue to put down your wig. Okay? No. Now, the reason why I don't agree with that is because, one, you got to think about it. How often, sis, let's be real, okay? Let's be real. How often are you taking off and reapplying your wig? How many times you do that? Every 3 days? If I'm not mistaken, I mean, correct me if I'm wrong, but every 3 days, right? So, every 3 days, you taking this gel, they call it. You taking this gel and putting it on your skin and laying down your wig. It ain't nothing wrong with wigs. As you can tell, I got on a wig right now. I love wigs. But I'm not putting that shit on my skin. Why I'm not putting that shit on my skin every 3 days? Why? It's because it's a strong enough chemical to have your wig laid the fuck down, okay? Excuse my French, excuse my language, but it's strong enough to lay your wig down. You putting this on your skin every 3 days. You gotta think about it. Your skin is a living thing. Like, your skin is alive, sis, okay? It talks to you. It lets you know when it's dry, when it needs some moisture, when it's irritated. It lets you know all of that, okay? But your skin absorbing this chemical every 3 days. Like, no, that's not healthy. It's not. I don't care what nobody say. It's not healthy, okay? Let's get into it. Let's talk about it, all right? Got some right here. Got spray. Cause people saying, oh, you don't have to use the glue. You could just use the spray and get by. Let's read the ingredients. What's in this spray? Okay, alcohol is the #1 ingredient. Okay, so whatever comes first, if y'all don't know how to read ingredients, the number one thing that it consists of, whatever ingredients you're reading, that would be the first element, like the first thing. Well, it's gonna say ingredients, and then that first word, whatever that first word is, that's what it mostly consists of. So this spray mostly consists of alcohol, which is fine, whatever. Hydrofluorocarbon, whatever. Octochloride, methachloride, whatever that is. Propanol, dimethicene, whatever that is. I don't know. I might pronounce some of this stuff wrong, but it don't sound healthy to be putting it on your skin and letting your skin absorb it every 3 days, sis. No, that don't make no sense. Okay, so I got some glue right here. Okay, got the little travel size. Let's see what this glue got in it. Okay. So, okay. This one says the number one ingredient is water. Polyquartrum, whatever that is. I don't know. Okay, it just got a whole bunch of confusing words on it, but it don't sound healthy for your skin, okay? That's the point that I'm trying to make. So no, I'm not putting this on my skin every 3 days. No, it don't make no sense. No, I already got enough health issues as it is. Why would I add on another health like that? That can affect your health. Your skin is absorbing something every 3 days. Like, you don't know what you're putting in your body. Don't do it, okay? I don't know what none of these words mean besides water and alcohol, okay? Don't do that. All right, so don't just stop it, okay? Just stop the madness. Now my wigs, what I do with my wigs, I just use the elastic band. Boom, put your wig on and off. That's all you need, okay? You don't need to put all the stuff in your skin, on your hair, whatever. Don't do that. Not only that, not only is your skin absorbing something you don't even know how to pronounce every 3 days, but okay, it's snatching your hair out. It's strong enough to lay your, if it's strong enough to lay your lace down or whatever for 3 days, sis, it's taking your hair out. I don't care what nobody say. It's taking your hair out, okay? It's gonna cause alopecia and some other stuff. So no, they're not the problems that we want. We don't want no smoke, okay? So just don't do it. Don't do it. Don't do it. All right? Okay, so that was all that I needed to that was all that I needed to address to you guys. All right? And I just want to say thank you guys so much for liking, sharing, and subscribing to my YouTube channel. Yes, okay, we growing here, baby. Keep it coming. Keep it coming. But thank you guys so much, and I'll see y'all in my next video. Peace.